What's up, guys? My name's Ryan with Freespirit Recreation. We're out here at Overland Expo West, Mountain West, I should say. We're out here displaying all of our rooftop tents, hub tents, all of our camping accessories. So I'll take you guys around and show you some of the features of our tents and kind of what we're doing with the company. So we really offer 3 different hard shell style tents. And so we've got these side opening tents here. All of our tents are built with this aluminum extrusion, which is your dual channel system here, which allows you to really mount any kind of accessories you want, any kind of crossbars, your high lift jacks, your showers, you name it. All of our tents are built with that kind of setup, and then the way all of our tents open are really designed based off of people's preferences. Something like this is more for if you want to store stuff on top of your tent and you want to keep it up there. This really large heavy-duty strut here allows you to support that weight whenever you open up your tent. The other things that people consider is the side wind block. That whole side of your tent is completely wind blocked, and so if you're up on a 12,000, 13,000 foot summit and you're camping, you've got that wind block if you've got heavy wind coming your way. We'll walk around and look at some of our other tents here and some other stuff we offer. So our hub tents are our quick setup ground tents. These pop in, fold down, no need for any poles on the setup process. These are a quick option kind of screen houses. You can also use them for any kind of camping if you want to. All of our materials too, so our tents included rooftop tents and our ground tents. We have our insulated tri-layer material, which is really built with 2 layers of ripstop and then 1 layer of polycotton on the inside. And this is built to really insulate you from the elements once you're inside of your tent. Let's walk through and look at some of the other offerings. So we've got some prototype tents here. You can see your traditional kind of clamshell style tents. These are really built for that person that wants that traditional style, just easy, quick, 4 latches, you're up ready to camp in 15 seconds. Additional to kind of our hard shell lineup with the clamshells, we offer an ultralight tent as well. So what this is your kind of mixture of the two, blending the elements, but your top here, we've got a tonneau style kind of top that's very different from your traditional hard shell honeycomb aluminum top. The other thing that's different about the lightweight tent is the single channel extruded aluminum. It's still aluminum, but it's a single channel and it's there to really reduce your weight. The rest of the tent is really built with our slatted design on the underneath. And again, that's to pull weight out. That's to really give you more kind of airflow inside of your tent so that you don't have just a married bottom to where you have no airflow, you have no room for condensation to go anywhere. And that's another thing that we kind of pride ourselves on is all of our vents in these tents are very strategic. So there's 2 on each side on the top there. Like I mentioned, our slatted design on the bottom. All of our rooftop tents also come with your diesel heater or AC ports, 1 on each side. And then again, with our materials, all of our tents will incorporate our tri-layer material to some degree. So all your doors, your windows, your large areas will include this material, which is just really built to withstand those elements and keep you kind of insulated. If you think about how a canteen works, whatever you put inside of this tent, you're going to kind of maintain that temperature. And then the remainder of it is our FSR Tech fabric, which again is 100% waterproof. A lot of people ask us, are our tents waterproof? And the answer is yes. We build these things with the intention of being able to protect you from the elements without the need for those little window awnings and those poles that you have to put in the side of your tent. Let's continue walking here and I can show you some other cool things that we're working on. So this setup here is on our Evolution V2. This is a prototype that we're getting ready to drop. And this is an annex built room that is integrated with the top of the Evo, which you can be able to pass basically into your tent, have a little cooking space. You could even put a dog bed on the ground down here. You could sleep a small child down here if you wanted to put a cot, you name it. You've got a lot of functionality with protection from the elements while also having to pass through and kind of joining those 2 areas together. Our Evolution is really the kind of our staple tent, if you will. This is it without the annex. So the same tent, you get 360-degree views. This is really the most premium offering that we do have here at Freespirit. And this allows for storage of all of your bedding, including pillows, your heavier toppers, things like that are going on your mattress. You can still store bedding in the other tents, but you're gonna have to pull all the air out of your air core mattress so that you can make room for that kind of stuff. Whereas this tent, you can really close down whatever you need inside of it as a full hard shell tent, which is pretty unique. You don't see that a whole lot. So we really pride ourselves in this guy and what it offers. You have 2 access points on either side too, so you can kind of set up a his and hers, or you know, you and your partner, whoever, on either side going in and out of the tent. So that really offers a lot for people as well. Thanks for stopping by. This is Ryan with Freespirit Recreation again. If you need any information, you can check us out on our website. It's just gofsr.com. That's gofsr.com.